Hello, grade 12. Let's just looking at this topic here, which is differentiation. This is for technical maths. Let's say you're given this, you're supposed to differentiate this. This will be, you say A, you drop that exponent there, which is become n, then x n minus 1. You multiply by it, you drop the exponents there, then you minus 1. Okay, so another important thing that you need to know here, let's say when you differentiate ex, when you differentiate this, will give you what? Say will be the same as of e to the exponent x. Later again, you are given, let's say number 3, you are given to differentiate the ln x. You must always know that differentiation of ln x, when you differentiate ln x, this will give us 1 over x. You take what is, it will become 1 over x. You take this, the x that is in front, even anything that is there on the front. Let's check number 4. What is important for you to know is that when you're given a log, maybe it's a log function here, a log function will be equal to, it will be 1 over, but here you take this that is on the front, become here at the denominator, then you multiply it by ln, then here you put what? You take the base, which is a, you write a there. Then what is the fifth? Let's check again, that is important for you to know. Let's say you are given ax. Note this is an exponent. When you differentiate the exponential function, this will be equal. You take this as it is, you don't change, will be equal to ax. Then you take the first derivative of the exponent. Then you have to take the exponent, the derivative of the exponent will multiply by 8, which is equal to 1. When you differentiate x, will give you 1. You multiply it there. Then again, you multiply by ln. Then you take the base here. With the base here, it's what? It's a. This is what is for the exponent. What is important again here is to note, just when you differentiate sign, a trigonometric function, a sign will change to become a cos x or 7. What is important, when you differentiate cos x will change, but will become what? Negative sine x. What is important again, let me write here, to know that tan x, when you differentiate tan x, when you take the first derivative of it, this will give us sec squared x. When you are given cot x, which is the inverse of tan, you must always note this will become, all those of course will become negative cosec squared x. Number 10, the important one here. It's to understand when you're given, maybe we are given, let's say, okay, sec x. We know that sec x, you will start by writing this sec here. This side will be word sec, but note positive. Then multiplied will be multiplied by tan x. Then what is important again for you to know is that when you're given cosec x, this will give you, note all of these of the cos will become, when you differentiate, the one start with cos, that's to have c, the one who have c, when you differentiate them, will become negative. Note that all of those that have c, when you see it here, it is negative. This is, they start with c, become negative. This one also will become what? Negative. You take this here, will be minus cosec. You take this as it is, but you multiply by cot x. It's important that you understand this formula. You will be given this formula is also applying. Okay, let me write again. Also applicable for, let's say, N4 mathematics. It's also applicable for N4 mathematics. You can, for those who do N4, yeah, it's applying also in N4. Okay, let's apply this then. Let's check. Let me try and take one question. Let's say maybe we're given something that we have to differentiate. Then let's check. Let me start by saying, yeah, maybe we're given 1 now. This is a question here. Let's say we're given what? 4x. We're given 4x. Let's say, okay, let me just say y is equal to 4x minus sine x. Then I can say again, I can plus cos x. I can say take the derivative of this. This is okay. We should differentiate this. You know, when we're taking our first principle, we'll take in respect to x here. We come say dy over dx. Okay, then we go. We know here this will become what? Here it's 1 here. When you minus 1, you drop 1. This will become what? 4, you know, almost. Then we said it. Remember, we said when we differentiate sign will give us what? Remember, here it's a formula. We said it give us what? Cos. This will be what? Minus cos x. But note, when we differentiate cos x, when we differentiate cos, we said this will give us what? Minus sine x. Then this is our, it's how we apply. Let's say again, number 2. Let's say we're given, let me check some activity, where I can take some activity. Let me write them on with my mind here. Okay, let me say we're given y. Yeah, let me check. I can say differently. So you can say tan x and say plus sec x here, you see. Then we have to differentiate this in respect to x. We said what is the differentiation of tan? Remember, we said this is just sec squared x. Then we come here. What about the sec? Remember, we take sec as it is, sec x, but we multiply by what? By tan x. Okay, so we can come again and say, let me come here and write the top bottom. Can create in the problem here. I can maybe say maybe I can say we're given y is equal to 2x plus ex plus, okay, sine x. So let's differentiate this. We'll say dy over dx. Remember, this is an exponent. We said this, we take this as it is, and this will become 2x. Then we multiply by differentiation of this, which is 1. We'll change anything. Then we multiply by ln. We take what? Base 2 here. Then this, remember, will be as it is. It will become e to the power of x. What about sine? Sine will change to become what? Cos x. This is a differentiation. So do not forget to like. You can like, then when you have a problem, you can send to this contact here. You can contact me here, 0640326918. When you have any problem, you can send to me. Okay, I will do video for you, or you can have a leave, then I will help you then. Note, for maths, I can say it. I can start from N4 N6. Okay, and then okay, might say N5 and N6, grade high school, grade 11, grade 12, even grade 10. Just that even grade 10 is applicable, even grade 9. You can contact me here and send some problem there.